Let's consider this example where we have to translate the words into algebra. It says, half the sum of 3 times a number x and the square of another number y, all divided by the difference between p and q. Have a go at this yourself and I'll show the solution on the next slide. Referring to the text, we can see we are told we have 3 times a number, and that number is x. So this is 3 times x, which in algebra we can write as 3x. We can also extract the following. The square of another number, where that number is y, is as shown here, y squared. Of course, we have the sum of the 3x and the y squared, which is 3x plus y squared. Of course, from the text, we can see we have half of the sum, and this can be shown in algebra as 1/2 multiplying the 3x plus the y squared, which we stick in brackets to ensure we realise that we're taking half of the 3x and the y squared. Again, from the text, we can see we have the difference between the p and the q, and that can be written as p minus q. I'll just make some room to continue with the solution. So we have 1/2 of 3x plus y squared. All of this is going to be divided by the difference between the p and the q. And you can see I've inserted additional brackets to ensure that the meaning is not lost. Now we can go on to show that this is equal to 1/2 of 3x plus y squared. And all of this will be divided by p minus q. So we can see that this text can be represented by what you see here. It's worth noting that you can tidy this up as follows. You can have on the top 3x plus y squared, and underneath have 2 times p minus q. In other words, this half is effectively being replaced by this 2 on the bottom of this fraction.